So what we will try to cover today is the 6 essential points for post-hatch care in brooding, which includes transportation, air quality, temperature, light, immunization, and access to feed and water. So transportation. Something that you have to be very important. Sometimes we take care of what's going on in the hatchery and we take care of what that house is going to look like for brooding, but we forget the transportation period. So it's very, very important. It's a vital rule in the performance change that transportation has to be very, very optimized and cannot be neglected, because any mistakes that you do during transportation will affect growth, feed conversion rate, even yield in processing plant. Distances. Today, like with our poultry industry being even more and more conglomerated, and you have hatcheries that are trying to be as big as possible to improve your performance, we have sometimes to drive those birds to a long distances, which sometimes is even more than 100 kilometers. So you must have trucks that have advanced ventilation and internal control systems that will make that ventilation optimal on that transportation. Key is also very important to keep the temperature, and that's also true for when the birds arrive in the house, because that baby chick cannot control its temperature yet. So we need to provide that temperature at the right range for that bird. Lack of good ventilation during transportation will lead to uneven an air distribution on that place, which consequently make those birds either to have excess heat or to excess cold, and that will be detrimental for that chick quality on arrival. Transportation, one condition there when they're not optimal, they certainly will increase and have consequences, and later as a sudden death syndrome and ascites as well.